Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change the keyboard size on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. As a first step, open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find a tab which is named General Management. Click on it and here go to the tab which is named Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then here we would need to scroll down again and find this tab which is named Size and Transparency. And here you'd be able to see a preview of your keyboard. To make it smaller or bigger, we would need to pull these four edges. So if we would like to make it bigger, we can take this one and pull it a little bit higher, like this. And you can see on the preview that the keyboard has become a little bit bigger, but we can also make it a little bit thinner by moving these side things. So we can do it like this, and this is it. If you think you have made too much changes and you would like to go to the default one, click on this button Reset, and this is it. Also, by holding our finger on this middle blue circle, we can change the position of keyboard. Here is it how it looks. And after you are done, click on this button down, and that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.